To clean this dirty shower, I'm going to use our product Showers and Stuff and pair it with our turbo brush. Easy to push button to turn on, and it has 2 different speeds for power. It has the extension, and so you don't even have to bend over while you are cleaning the shower. The angle head that you can switch out different attachments. 4 different attachments are included. Become a handheld scrubber too. So by just removing the extension pole in the middle, you can use it in the kitchen if you need to scrub out your oven or different things like that.